Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar bears gathered in a great many numbers overnight and displayed its worst decline in over the last 5 days. You can see here the market since the rejection from 74.60-65 is that the bears have stepped up the pace and now pressuring the level back at 73.45.55 this morning. It is expected that this level may break and we could be looking further towards a region of 72.55.60 and reassess from there. Resistance on the day is seen at 73.95. Well, the euro dollar took further casualties overnight as the US dollar gains further momentum since the rebounding off 93.40. The market claims the target of 94.52 higher on the dollar index. This in terms saw the euro fall towards a 5-day low of 116.64. Evidently, the market is bearish, and I do expect to see further weakness towards 116.30 and reassess from there, as we could be looking down towards 115.65, with the resistance now seen at 117.05 and firmer above at 117.65. The dollar yen bulls come out in a great many numbers also. As the US dollar strengthens, the bulls take on the challenge of the top side and crush the 111.10 resistance and now has 112.30.45 in focus or target, as I believe the market may extend if it's caught short towards the region of 113.5. But if it first has to tackle 112.85, if we do get a break above this level, 112.30.45, but nevertheless, it is a strong move, and therefore a lot of stops have been triggered. And no doubt the market is caught a little bit short, but do be on your guard. We are a little bit overbought, but let's see how the market plays out. The support comes in at 111.40 on the day, and beneath here is firmer at 110.40. The pound is still weak, and as you can see, is still closing in on the downside target of 130.65 that I called the other day since the bearish outside range day. Evidently, the RSI is broken down too, so I believe the first target will be at 131.95. 98 was the low overnight, and we're still upon that target now. But I believe this level will be crushed at 131.95 and see a target, as I say, of 130.65 with the resistance on the day at 132.55. It is disappointing that gold's lost its momentum and now back towards the recent lows where the bullish outside range day was at 1,238. I do anticipate the market to defend this level, but if not, then we're looking down to 12.25 as the next target if 38 is breached. Resistance on the day seen at 46. The view for oil come through as the market crushes the support. Now, I felt the market would only be long just around this region here, from $69 up to the recent highs, where the long-legged doji and the bearish outside range day is. Beneath here, could see an extension down towards the region of $67 a barrel. But at this present time, I would like to sort of sit out just for the moment. But we have reached the objective of 69.70 after the market lost 5% overnight. On the day, though, the range holds somewhere between 67.95 to 69.95. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.